Hello viewers, this is a buckle tutorial and you'll need these in most of my tutorials. I like a good buckle. So you'll need just two things, scissors and some wire. Not too strong, not too thin, just right. I'm like Goldilocks, I am. Right, so get your bit of wire, get your scissors, and open your scissors but clasp it onto a bit of wire. So just so the wire's poking through your scissors, and bend it over like that. Then just around your scissors, go down, move the string wire down if you want your buckle bigger, or up if you want it smaller. Just put breyer more down here, schleich more up here, and then wrap it round twice. Make sure to do it nice and firmly. You can already see there's a kind of buckley kind of shape, and then you're just going to push it off with your fingers. Your buckle should look like that. Then you just need to trim off anything like excess or whatever. Some spiky bits because you don't want to get hurt or anything. Oh god. And then the other one. And then there should be your buckle. It's quite simple, and you can use them for anything like saddles or head collars, all that kind of stuff. But thank you, and goodbye.